Hey y'all, I am going to do this little starburst mirror and I'm hoping that it's going to turn out pretty simple. It has these three little guys on here that I'm going to take off. I got this from the Dollar Tree and just the little tabs or whatever. I don't know if people use them for coasters or what they use them for, but they do have this little bling around it, this it's on my nails and I can't believe that I can't believe that I can't think of the name of it right now. It's glitter, for goodness gracious sakes. What in the world is wrong with me? Okay. And so I've got some silver picks here and I have some of these little iridescent. I have no idea. Okay. Anyways, I've got some of these little guys right here from the Wish app and let's get started. So to start out, I just do two this way, one up and one down, and then one on the side and on the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect because once you get everything done, then it's not going to matter. If you really want to measure it out, you're very welcome to, but that is not my style. So the next thing I'll do is just put one in between each of the four, and then we'll go from there. So I've got these all put on, and all I did was just put on the four and then keep adding them around until I got a circle. And I'm going to turn it over, and now the fun begins. So I'm now taking these little guys right here and I'm just placing them here. So I'm going to take them and just go from this little part to this little part. And I'm going to go all the way around. I'm now going to add some of this bling that I got from the Wish app. I'm just cutting it up into little pieces and I'm going to place it around the inner part right here and all around here. And that way it can cover up some of the hot glue and add just a little bit more bling. I'm just now going to take these little diamond gems from the Dollar Tree. They're acrylic. And I'm going to place them right on each of the edges, just kind of diagonally. And I'm going to go all the way around with that. I took some of this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree and this Dollar Tree votive candle holder. I put the 5-row just around the base of it there, and that is going to attach to the top of my Starburst mirror. Because I may decide in the future that I don't want to make it permanent, I may want to change it and hang this little starburst on the wall. So I'm just going to hot glue just right around this part here and place it on top, and I will be back to show you the end result.